Alright, we're going to go over the door entry. The silver one is the door entry lock. You see right here, that's a lock. It come out about a 3/4 inch or 1 inch, and the gold one is another door lock solenoid. It's a 12 volt. So I run on the laptop charge, laptop battery. Same circuit. It's gonna go through the receiver, and the receiver gonna activate. Alright. I'm going to use my phone. Let me turn on my phone and then go back to the command me. Alright, command me. You see door entry. Alright, so if you hit door entry, it will pop and it locks. So instead of press the number, to lock your house, so right here you just you say door entry, and it will pop. You see. Let's see. Look at sideways. It's about an inch. Yes, 3/4 inch. About an inch. Right. If I click again, door entry, it will go down. You see. Door entry. So my command me is based on Raspberry Pi. Well, I'll show you the Raspberry Pi later, but right now I'm going to switch to the solenoid right here. 2 wire is 12 volt. So I disconnect the silver solenoid. Alright, move away, put away, and then try this one out. Alright. The wire right here. So I connect one is to the positive and one to the receiver. Alright. So all the positive, they use the same line. You see the red one, that's positive, and one of the wire go to the receiver. You see at the end of the receiver right here, it go right here. So if I push in the receiver, let me find the slot, and I push in tie hole. Alright, so it's in. Alright, let me take this one out. I'm using normal, making a circuit symbol. Alright, right now it's a circuit symbol. From the negative go to the blue, and then the white one go to the red one. So that's a positive, and you get the receiver receive the power from here. Alright, and then one line from negative. I use the negative side on this one. So basically right here is right now is I'll use my phone and hit door entry again. Alright, so it pop in, you hear the click, and then I close it, release. So right now when it release, then it has no power. Alright, when you click in, that means they send power through and energize the coil. Alright, so okay, let's go over door entry. It's a whole complete circuit right here, very simple. You connect the instead of the battery charger, laptop battery, you use the 9 volt to 12 volt. I mean 12 volt because the solenoid is 12 volt. So you use 12 volts adapter to connect to your circuit.